Hey, Angie Nelson here from theworkathomewife.com. Today we're going to be talking about some great ways that you can make money right here on YouTube. Regardless of whether you are a freelancer, a blogger, or simply someone who is just starting to look into some opportunities to make money online, we're going to discuss a variety of different options that are available for monetizing your videos. And make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out how you can learn more about these great opportunities and more. Now your first question may be, why YouTube? And why video? Well, the fact of the matter is that more and more people are moving to consuming their information by video as opposed to reading text. So while for many years we have seen a lot of bloggers and email-based marketing, right now we're seeing a lot more people moving towards video. And YouTube is a platform that allows people to start their own channels for free. So there is going to be no upfront investment required other than just your webcam and maybe a microphone, which are probably things that your computer is already equipped with. Now the first opportunity to make money on YouTube is probably one you've already seen around YouTube if you're a regular subscriber or a regular viewer over here. And that's those little ads that pop up on a lot of the videos that you're viewing. Now these are Adsense ads that are put there by Google. YouTube is owned by Google, so they're going to put their own advertising on different channels and different videos as it allows. Now if you've been around here for a while and are already creating videos, you may know that YouTube recently changed their guidelines as far as who can make money on their videos. Now those new guidelines require you to have at least 1,000 YouTube channel subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Now if you're new to YouTube or you haven't been really active over here yet, those are some really big numbers to reach. Luckily you have some other great options available. Now the first one is going to be a great one for you if you are a freelancer or some kind of service provider. Or maybe even you have an online store that sells items through either your own shop or a platform like Etsy or eBay. So this option is going to be filling your email funnels. Email marketing is always a great option for making money online because you're able to contact these people over and over again right where they are all day in their email. Now as a YouTube creator, what you would be doing to fill your email funnels is talking about your services or your products over here on YouTube and then directing people to hop back over to your website to sign up for your email, to drop their email address, and usually in exchange for something free. Maybe you're offering them a free checklist, a discount on your products or services, or maybe some kind of a free series that's going to teach them more about whatever it is that you're helping them achieve over here on YouTube. Now the key to filling your funnels is to not be too salesy over here on YouTube. You want to make sure that you are providing a lot of great information and that you're actually helping them solve some problems. Your YouTube videos would kind of be like a step one in their process. And step two would obviously be to hire you or to buy your products or your services. So you want to make sure that you're providing them enough information to gain their trust and to let them know that you are a person who can actually help them solve their problems, as opposed to just giving them a sales pitch over here. Now, I have been a blogger since 2009 or 2010, and one of my favorite ways to make money on my blog has always been affiliate marketing. In these relationships, what you are doing is signing up as an affiliate for maybe your favorite product or service, and you're being provided with a special link by that merchant that you can share online. And when people click through that link on your blog or in your emails or over here on YouTube, you would then earn a commission if they make a sale. Now, using your affiliate links within videos is a really great way to increase your conversion rates, because video is going to allow you to kind of make some connections that you can't really portray well in text. You might be doing some tutorials over here on YouTube. If you are someone that is involved in maybe the beauty industry or the fashion industry, you may be doing things we call unboxings or hauls. in which you are sharing on screen some products that you are using in real life or that you just received in the mail or you just bought on your latest shopping trip. Now, one of the great things that makes video more effective than just writing text is that people can actually see that you are using the products that you're promoting. Unlike a blog post where maybe you can just do online research and type up a post and hope that people believe you, in a video you can actually show them that you are a user of the product and you know the benefits and features and how it's going to benefit them. Now, if you don't really want to get involved in affiliate marketing, you can always get sponsors. Brand sponsorships are a great way to make money online if you are a content creator, whether that be a blogger or a video creator. These are going to be brands that are paying you a flat fee or maybe an ongoing fee to promote your product to your audience. It isn't so dependent on the conversion rates. You don't necessarily need to make a sale in order to get paid. You are simply mentioning their name in your latest video, in your description, or maybe linking to it in your actual video itself. Now, there's a good chance you're familiar with Amazon. If you are an online creator, maybe you're already an Amazon associate, which is their affiliate program. If so, it's a good time for you to become familiar with their new influencer program. Now, Amazon's influencer program was created just with social media influencers in mind. You don't necessarily need a website or blog to be approved as an influencer. You just need to have an engaged and maybe a little bit larger audience on social media platforms, whether that be here on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Now, unlike the Associates program where you are linking to individual products that are available on Amazon, as an influencer you'll be given a vanity URL to a storefront of your own. And in that storefront you'll be able to fill it with products that are available on Amazon and then just share that one link on your social media channels or here on YouTube. Now, this program isn't available to everyone at this time. If you are active on YouTube or Twitter, you can go ahead and apply with those two channels and get an immediate response as to whether you're approved or denied. If you're applying with Facebook or Instagram, they do manually vet those channels at this time, and that can take up to 5 business days. Now, to succeed with any monetization avenue on YouTube, you need to be a great content creator. You need to be engaging and learn how to tell a story and learn how to get those subscribers onto your channel and sticking around. That's what's going to help you make money with any of these opportunities. Now, as with any sponsorship or affiliate opportunity, you need to make sure that you're disclosing your relationships with those brands. And that is something that is required by the FTC, so you will want to make sure that you're letting your YouTube viewers know that you're making money through these avenues. That may be through, mentioning it in your videos, but you'll also want to leave that in your description as well. Now, these are just a couple of the great ways that you can make money with your YouTube videos. I have another list over on my blog that's going to tell you more about these opportunities, along with some other great opportunities that you can use to make money with your videos.